Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, unsupported operand types for -str and str. The error message. TypeError, unsupported operand types for -str and str occurs when you try to perform a subtraction operation between two strings. Subtraction is not a supported operation between strings in Python, so you get a type error. For example, if you have two variables containing strings and you try to subtract one from the other, here is an example of code that could produce this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are only performing valid operations on the data types you are using. If you are trying to subtract two strings, you may want to consider concatenating them instead using the plus operator. Alternatively, you may need to convert your strings to a numeric data type, such as an integer or float, before performing any arithmetic operations on them.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.